Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about similar triangles. Similar triangles. Now, so what is the similar figures and what are the congruent figures? Let me consider first. So similar figures, similar figures, similar figures. Two or more figures which are having same shape but not necessarily the same size. So which are having two or more figures, two or more figures which are having same shape but not necessarily the same size are known as similar figures. Okay, what about congruent figures? Congruent figures. Two or more figures which are having same shape and same size. Okay, same shape and size, which are having same shape and same size. So whereas coming to the polygons, similar polygons, that means two or more polygons having same shape but not necessarily the same size. That means here shape indicates the similar figures and size indicates the congruent figures. So let me consider two triangles. Any two triangles are similar. What are the conditions for similarity? Similar figures. Okay, similar figures are denoted the symbol similarity. If two triangles are similar, if two triangles are similar to each other, two triangles are similar to each other. Triangle ABC, triangle DEF. Let me consider these two triangles are similar. Then can be expressed as symbolically or expressed as triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. The symbol is called is similar to. The symbol is known as is similar to. Okay, so this is about the similarity of conditions. Next, so when two triangles are similar, what are the conditions we can see? If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. So first condition. So if two triangles are equal, if two triangles are similar, are similar, then first point is their corresponding angles are equal. And second point is their corresponding sides. The corresponding sides are proportional or in same ratio or proportional. So these are the two very important conditions. These are called properties of similar figures or similar triangles. So whatever it is, triangles or figures or polygons, whatever it is, if any two figures are similar, their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportional. So in nature, so what are the Best examples of similar figures, all the circles are similar with any radius. All the circles are similar. So first examples, you can see all the circles are similar. All the circles are similar. All the squares are similar. All the squares are similar. All the squares are similar. Next, all the equilateral triangles are similar. All the equilateral triangles are similar. Okay. All the equilateral triangles are similar. All the regular polygons which are having same number of sides are similar. All the regular polygons which are having same number of sides or similar. These are all the examples of similar figures in commonly we are using this type of examples for similar figures. All the circles are similar, all the squares are similar, all the equilateral triangles are similar, all the regular polygons which are having the same number of sides are similar in nature. Now we have to know one important point is every congruent figures, all the congruent figures are similar to each other. All congruent figures are similar to each other, but all the similar figures may not be congruent. Now, so let us see what is the conditions when two triangles are similar. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. If two triangles are similar, then what are the conditions? So first condition, we know corresponding angles are equal. What is the corresponding angles? So we know that in every two triangle, in a triangle we have six parts. Two triangles are similar. You can consider this is DEF. Corresponding in the sense same place. If in this triangle ABC, A is equals to in this triangle DEF D, because both are corresponding angles which are in same place. Corresponding angles. So this is A. Angle A is equals to angle D. The second point is angle B is equals to angle E. Angle B is equals to angle E. Then third point is angle C is equals to angle F. Angle C is equals to angle F. This is the first condition. This is the first condition of similar triangles. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Then coming to second condition is, so this is in first condition. Coming to second condition is corresponding sides are in same ratio. What are the corresponding sides? AB is one side, its corresponding side is DE in this triangle. Then BC is one side, another side, then its corresponding side is EF. Then AC is one side, its corresponding side is DF. So what we are going to conclude this one, this is second point. AB corresponding side, this corresponding side is DE. So DE, that is equals to BC by EF, that is equals to AC by DF. This is called the sides are in same ratio or sides are proportional for any two similar figures. So these are all ratio. This ratio must be equals to one constant. This ratio must be equals to, because this ratio equals to this ratio and this ratio is equals to this ratio. If two ratios are equal, then we are calling it as proportional. Then this sides ratio, first sides ratio, second sides ratio and third sides ratio is equals to one constant. That constant is called, that constant K is called a scale factor. That constant K is known as scale factor. So what is the Scale factor, can you define the scale factor? Yes, we are going to define the scale factor now. The scale factor is nothing but the ratio of corresponding sides of any two similar figures. The ratio of corresponding sides of any two similar figures is called scale factor. Very important concept, scale factor. So by using this scale factor, we can decide that whether the given similar figures are which condition, whether the first triangle is enlarged figure to the second triangle, or the first triangle is diminished figure or reduced figure to the second triangle, or the first triangle is congruent to the second triangle, will be decided by scale factor. When scale factor is greater than 1, what is the scale factor now? So when scale factor is greater than 1, conditions, we can see first condition, when scale factor is greater than 1, so what happens, AB is, so that is what happens, AB by DE is greater than 1. So that means that take DE that side, AB is greater than DE. So what it indicates that the first triangle, given triangle is enlarged figure. Therefore, so first triangle ABC is enlarged figure when compared to DEF. So DEF. Next, this is called scale factor is greater than 1. Given figure is enlarged figure. Next, coming to the second point, K is less than 1. What it happens? K is less than 1, AB is less than DE. Then first figure is diminished figure or reduced figure to the DEF triangle, second figure. So first figure is diminished figure or reduced figure. When K is equals to 1, what happens? That is third condition. When K is equals to 1, so when K is, the scale factor becomes 1, so it becomes AB is equals to DE. Then corresponding sides are equal. Already we know corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal. Then we can call it as both the triangles are congruent triangle. What it means that scale factor is decides whether the given figures are enlarged figure, so first figure is enlarged figure, or first figure is diminished figure, or first figure is congruent to the second figure, will decided by who? That is called scale factor. Very, very important. What is the scale factor? The ratio of corresponding sides of any two similar figures is called scale factor. Now students, this is about brief introduction about similar triangles. In next classes we are going to discuss in detail about similar triangles.